We have learned that all nouns are either masculine or feminine. Livro is masculine, but caneta is feminine. How can we predict the gender of a noun?
The general rule is that if a noun ends in A, it is feminine. But then right off the bat you have an exception, gia, which ends in A, but it's masculine. The other general rule is that if a noun ends in O, it is masculine. And there are very few exceptions to this. One is tribu, the word for tribe, and it's uma tribu. Another exception is the class of words that end in the nasal diphthong own. You see the final O, but it doesn't really end in O, it ends in own. And those are hard to predict. Sometimes you'll have them feminine, sometimes masculine, most of the time feminine. You have coração, for example. Irmão is also masculine. Words that end in dade, D-A-D-E, are almost always feminine. In fact, I can't think of any exceptions. So you have such words as bondade, caridade. You also have words such as jovem that can be jovem or uma jovem. You have a word like colega that can be colega or uma colega. The gender of nouns is difficult to determine and should be learned as you learn the noun. The word fe is feminine. Morte is also feminine. Paz is also feminine. You just have to know and remember what they are. Some examples for masculine that are hard to determine would be convite, for example, is masculine. And also you have item and amor and many other words like that. You just have to learn them as you go and know that they're masculine. É isso.